गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हैं आप सभी। इंग्लिश के नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में ग्रामर में हम टेंसेस के बारे में बात कर रहे थे, जहां पिछले वीडियो में हमने बात करी थी सिंपल फ्यूचर के बारे में। सो नाउ मूविंग फॉरवर्ड फ्रॉम सिंपल, नाउ वी हैव जंप्ड ऑन प्रोग्रेसिव टेंस और यू कैन से इट एज कंटिन्यूअस टेंस। कंटिन्यूअस टेंस क्या होता है? जो हम काम कर रहे होते हैं, जैसे मैं अभी चल रहा हूँ, कंटिन्यूसली चल रहा हूँ, मतलब चल के आया और चल के जा रहा हूँ, मीन्स आई एम डूइंग अ वर्क, आई एम डूइंग अ वर्क। चल के जा रहा हूँ, मैं खाना खा रहा हूँ, मैं पढ़ रहा हूँ, मैं नहा रहा हूँ, वट एवर द थिंग इज। सो वेन एवर यू आर डूइंग अ वर्क एंड स्टिल यू आर डूइंग, दैट इज टर्म्ड एज continuous. So let us move forward with the structural base or the formula for simple present continuous. Okay, yeah. Understood? So we will be talking about present continuous tense. Present continuous tense. तो सबसे पहले इसका हम स्ट्रक्चर देख लेते हैं. So you know it very well. We need subject plus the helping verb, or you can name it as auxiliary verb also, plus main verb, and you can add an object. Okay, so subject again we need, they are of two type. Repeat with me, it's singular and plural, and you know the singular subjects are he, she, it, and a name. So he is used for a boy, she is used for a girl, it is used for a neutral gender or an object, like for an animal or for certain thing, like it is a chalk, it's a piece of chalk, name for name of any individual. Now for plural, I, we, you, and they. So we have our 8 basic subjects. So this part is done. Now we need a helping verb. So you have to be very clear that what subject you are choosing, that will be making you to understand that which helping verb or auxiliary verb you have to choose. So for singular subject, if your subject is singular, आपको subject के साथ क्या add करना है? is. What do you have to add with subject? is. Okay. With I, if you are using I as a subject, you have to use am as helping verb. And with we, you, and they, you have to use are. So it will be something like he is, she is, it is, name is, I am, we are, you are, they are. Okay, so this part is done, where you have to use either is, am, or are. Understood? Now coming to the main verb point. So what you have to use, I have told you the fourth one, the past participle one. Here you have to use the ing form of the verb. Verb plus ing, that is the root form of the given verb plus ing. For example, if we take the root word as go, then adding ing, it will be going. And for eat, it will be eating. So like that only. So what do you have to use? Verb plus ing. Verb first form plus ing form. Okay, so accordingly you can do anything, like let us take eat. So it will be he is eating, she is eating, it is eating, name is eating, I am eating, we are eating, you are eating, they are eating. So similarly you can go with many other verbs utilizing this. I shall be giving you few verbs that you can use to form different sentences. So first one is write, next is jump, cook, fly, and run. So using this, create different sentences. That's all for today's video. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.